Okay, so today we are going to be doing our centers, and we have 4 different ones that we will be working on. We will start with our sight words packet, and I will explain the directions that you will complete while you guys are in the center. There will be tracing, writing, coloring, gluing, and cutting, and you will have a cup. There will be 4 of these at the centers, and it will have the markers in it, the scissors, and the glue stick. So each kid that is at the station will have one of these cups. So it says to trace, and you will trace over the eye. What do you think that we're going to use for tracing and writing? Are we going to use the markers or pencils? Pencils. And do we give our best handwriting?
You buy me that.
Do we give our best handwriting or do we scribble?
Mom, you buy me that.
Okay, but hey, do we give our best handwriting or do we scribble?
Best hand.
Our best handwriting. So I need your name, and then you're going to trace. Then you will write the letter I.
Mom,
so
dear.
How many times should we write it? We traced it 3 times. So how many times? 3. So I should have 3 eyes. And then you can color your eyes. And you can color them any color, so you could choose any of these. Then you will cut out your eye so that you can glue it. And then that sheet will be done. And then you'll continue to do that for the next few pages. And they're all the same, just different words. And you have to write your name on each one. In case it gets lost, that way I can find it. On the last page is your color by sight review. So in this is where you'll use your markers. And let's say the is red. So here's my red marker. And we have the. And you will find it on your rainbow.
Mom, you buy me that that.
Hey. So we have the, and it's supposed to be red. So I'm going to color my little square red. So that I know that it's supposed to be red. And then I'll come up here and we'll color our rainbow. So we can begin to color and try to color within the lines as best as you can. And you'll continue to do that and color it. And then you're going to do the same for the next letters. Okay?
Yeah.
So then when you're done, you should have a rainbow. Once you're done with this, this center, then you can move on to your next center. The next center will be our math center, where we are building and taking away. So if we're building, are we adding or subtracting?
Billy.
Yep, so if we're building, we are adding. And if we're taking away, we are subtracting. So you guys are going to work on your addition and subtraction skills.
Yay,
and you're going to work on those with your single digits. And we have 2 different cards. We have one that talks about differences, and then we have some that talk about the sums. So then I want you to complete 4 of these cards. You're going to grab 4 of them. And then you guys are going to write with your black marker. You're going to write with the black marker, and your number will go right in the square. Okay, so this one says, build 8, take 6 away, what's the difference? So, here's my 2 colors for my cubes. And then I'm going to build 8. So I have a cube, and these are in stacks of 10. So I have 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
So then I'm going to take the other 2 off. So here's my 8. And I need to take 6 away. So we won't be putting any green ones on. We're only taking away. So if I take away, I'm going to count 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
And I take them off. Now how many do I have left? 1,
1,
2.
2.
So the difference would be 2. So then I'm going to take my black marker. I'm going to write 2. And my card should look like this. Then I can face it down at my center. I'm going to face it down and then I'm going to do my next card. And this one says, build 1, add 4 more, what's the sum? So let's grab the green one. And I only need 1 to start out with. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
So I take my 1 cube that I need, put the other ones down, and it says add 4 more. So I can take from this one, and we need 4. So we have 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
So here is my 4 and my 1, and I put them together. Now you can see that we added cubes, and that is why we are using the 2 different colors. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So then I'm going to take my marker again and write 5.
5! I know it.
And here's the 5.
5.
And then I'm going to face it down and do my other 2. And then we should staple them together,
Okay.
and they will go in my green box.
Okay.
And then once you're complete with this center, then you can move on. So our third center is reading comprehension and sentence reading and comprehension.